on the bench today, I have a Savage Model 340V. This is chambered in 225 Winchester. So a rather unique weapon with a rather unique load. The customer has a very simple request with this one, and I'm going to show you, see if we can figure it out. Give you a second. Customer brought it in, said the bolt is completely gone. The story is that the bolt was thrown away by someone because this person didn't want them, the person's significant other didn't want them shooting this weapon anymore. So we have a fairly rare weapon, or uncommon, should say, that's missing its piece here. So I've had to go searching the internet to find this. So while I'm waiting for that to come in, what I'm going to do is we're going to take this apart and we're going to clean it because, again, it's a little dirty. Hasn't been shot in a while. It's been well worn, as you can see. So this is a really lovely, lovely piece. The checkering in this is just second to none. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it apart and we're going to clean it up a little bit. We may re-blue some of these pieces right here. So we'll do a little spot re-bluing because they're a little, rusted out. But again, it shouldn't be too hard. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. Let's see. Alrighty. So now we're just going to take a look in here real quick. Like I said, this stock is just second to none. It is a beautiful wood stock. A little dirty in there, so we'll just go ahead and clean it out. The customer didn't want like the stock restored or anything. They just wanted it cleaned up. So I'm going to take some of these pieces off right here and clean up the screws and whatnot because they've got a little rust on them, but we'll clean that up too. The barrel is relatively dirty, so we're just going to go through there. We're going to clean it up with some CLP, some Lucas's CLP. Maybe my toothbrush. Put a little CLP on that. And we're just going to start going to town on it. I'm going to take this first. I'm going to set this over here. I've got a box over here. I'm just going to clean this up. This is just going to be one of those things where we're just cleaning. Luckily, this is just huge, so you can get in, you can get deep into there. Like
that's what she said.
The pieces on this there's a lot of room to work. I'm going a little heavy on it now because this doesn't look like it's been cleaned in a while. I'm trying to keep it away from the firing pin too, but at the same time I'm getting all this fuzz and gunk off here. So yeah, this is going to be a good one. So I'm just going to keep at this and we'll be right back.
One eternity later.
All right, it's been a little bit, but the bolt finally came in. It took me a little bit to find it. eBay for the win on this one. So I've already kind of opened it just to make sure, but I want to pull it out right now. Show you that this bolt literally felt like it was the only one in the country. It came from Nashua, New Hampshire. So pretty stoked I found this. So what we're going to do is I'm going to oil it up just a little bit here because I've already cleaned it too. That's the thing, but I didn't oil it up or anything, but I just wanted to clean it up a little bit. I'm going to stick this in here.
That's what she said.
Now, the trick to putting a bolt in, if you don't know it, is to, again, hold the trigger down. That's literally all it is. And then finding the notch. In this case, on this one, there's a little notch right here. We want to make sure that we slide that in correctly. So, make sure everything's aligned. I'm going to embarrass myself. Okay, so let's had the safety on. Woot! So now let's just make sure it works. That is a nice, smooth action. Let's make sure it works. Let's actually run. Okay, hold on. Let me. All right, safety works just fine too. So that's really awesome to hear. So now gotta wait a little bit more for another package for the magazine to come in. So let's do that. And next time you see me, I'll have the magazine. We'll unload it. Make sure it fits.
Many months later.
All right, it's been a few days, and we got the magazine in. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna flip this over. We're gonna see if this magazine fits. This is a 4-round magazine. It's a clip for a 225/3030, but I think this is the original. So yeah, it says front up there. So I think this is the original. So we're just gonna throw this in here. Looks like it fits. It's nice and snug. That is really good. I'm super happy that I've been able to get both the parts for this, both the bolt and the magazine for this, and get this cleaned up. I used some Murphy's oil on this just to clean up the dust and the dirt on this. So I'm gonna call the client, get them out here, and they're gonna bring some ammo. So they've asked not to be shown on camera, so we're not gonna do a test fire of this one. But yeah. This has been a fun build, and if you have any questions or this has been a fun restoration, or not restoration, it's been a fun cleaning. If you need a weapon cleaned or you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.